Hello. First of all, thanks, ma'am or sir, to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Amit Sharma. Basically, I am from Haryana. I have done my graduation in 2015 in Rajasthan University, which is located at Jaipur, and my college name is Pariskar College of Global Excellence. After that, I have completed MCA in Centrist of Haryana, which is located at Mahendragarh, Chatpali. And going to my experience in private sector, I have start my job in 2020. The company name is Web Design City, and which is located at Gurgaon. And some there are job roles and responsibilities are like on page work, off page work, like keyword analysis, guest posting, and all. And after that I left the job. I will join the Flipkart company, and recently already I am working in Flipkart company, designation of a system desktop support engineer. And as well as I have completed software testing course in EdByte institute, which is located at Pune. And well, everyone has a strength and weakness. My strength is I have a good communication skill, and being a quick learner, and being a self motivated, and being able to work with team. And weakness is I overthinking, and my long term my short term goal is good position in your company, and my long term to achieve a good position at good level. That's all about me. Thank you.